Mga kababayan natin dito sa LA, ready na ba kayo for Pasko sa Barrio?
It's this Sunday na, November 16 from 3 to 9 p.m. Dali natin ang tunay na spirit ng Paskong Pinoy dito sa LA. May music, art, food, and of course, lots of Pinoy holiday vibes.
And syempre, don't forget to visit the GCash booth.
Kasi aside from all the fun and food, you can actually get free entry to the event. Yes, libre, when you use your GCash US account.
Madali lang. All you have to do is download, register, and verify your US GCash app.
Then, use any GCash feature. Tapos, just show proof of transaction at the entrance to claim free entry. O diba, libre ka na makakapasok?
Pero wait, meron pa. When you cash in at least $10 at the GCash booth on the day of the event, you'll get the chance to win a Nintendo Switch.
Libre ka na sa entrance and may chance ka pang manalo. So download the GCash app now and use your account.
So see you this Sunday sa Pasko sa Barrio.
Kita-kita kits mga kababayan, don't miss it!